question? Ano ba yung mga pangutan with regards to this resolution, with this portion, number 9?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, addition, the gender to this resolution or motion by Kagawad Pamero.
Is that a motion, Kagawad Pamero?
Motion on order. Motion on decision. I would like to suggest further that the second motion will be reduced stand. So if we have reduced stand, we will put here in the record ang unanimous approval na. Dili lang ito kayo, seconded by Honorable President. Unanimously approve. Move back, move, unanimous approve. Ikita mo tayo.
So, is there any other inquiry or question? Okay, Kagawad Bardila.
Ito na mong yun na dapat mas ito yung masurod na concentration niya po sa mga tao na kabahan niya sa 11 to may tabo.
Nag-session na 8 magod. Mga gusto ni Kagawad Pamero na sa alig kayo. Lagyan po magod ang sitwasyon. Consultation na sa session. Oo. Nabaliktad ba? Nabaliktad ka na ito ato nang iabrubahan o may consultation. Murag naglain lang kuminahon. Anyway, napay mga pangutanan. Rebinan, so the motion of Kagawad Pamero and unanimously approved by the members of the council is approved. So, before going to the adoption, before adopting this, adopting or approving this minutes of the past session, I think there was a concern made by me with, which is part of the agenda with regards to the ordinances and especially our request for the deed of donation of Sunrise Open Space Sunrise Village. It was not included here.
I just ask for your indulgence because I mean, even if it's from yesterday, I already know. Then, ako itan ako bro, tangod sa agenda si Engineer Kipo, which was not the agenda, I guess, was enough. So all discussions from there, it's not part of the agenda that we were discussing. So kung i-rearrange pa, then ang ipang-lingkod ni Ami, siguro na mo delay. Kaya akong thinking na mamali ako sa obos. Resulta, nalintan na. Kaya nasagol mo ko itong discussion sa Engineer Kipo. So I suggest we will just include that on the other matters.
Anyway, this will be still the reformat. This will not be approved as the minutes of the past session because we will be meeting the number 9. So,
with just reformat, I will put that other matter.
Yeah. Pwede. Okay, so any more comment or query with regards to the previous minutes?
I move, Mr. Chairman, for the adoption and approval of the previous minutes.
So it has been moved. The previous minutes was moved and adopted. Motion for adoption and approval. Any second? It was seconded. Any objection? Further discussion?
Mr. Chairman, without prejudice to any correction,
okay, Kagawad.
The motion of Engineer Rodilao, Honorable Kagawad Rodilao, to approve the previous minutes, I would like to emphasize
But as motion, this will be corrected. So, okay. Any other discussion? There being none, so the previous minutes have been adopted and approved. Okay, so before going to our business for the day, so may we request to give an explanation with regards to the absent of Honorable Mundinaw last previous minutes, previous session. May I request Honorable Mundinaw to please explain why you are absent last regular session, so that we can adjust or we can adapt whether we will excuse you or we will make some absences.
Mr. Chairman, I have some idea about the absences because
Mr. Chairman, kunin bisa din kaya salamat. Tapos sige. Okay.
Kailangan, Mr. Chairman, hindi kita po intention na mo-absent. Kaya nagawa ko din tao ito sa kamulan. Doon natin yung mga kaso na hindi kita po kalikaya. Labi na ako, kami na buhay na ako ang akong i-diapas. So, walang maka-absent ko. Pero, for this year, mo na po sa kaisa. I hope na hindi na natin mga kasunod. Mga magalit, siguro sa mga kumihan na tawas. Hindi yan mo pero ito. O, regulate ka ang mga balao nga. Kuha. Uyo na po mo. Uyo na po mo kuha. Masa mo, approve na po mo sa itong mga balao nga akong kasabutan. Kaya tao man, tapos yung mandyo. Hindi na pinuha. Actually, kato pa lang na, ito pa rin yung sorry ko. Ito sa kuya. Ay, hindi na nagayon. Kung may meso dito, balik kami ang kompak, rumah yun siya. Balik.
So, just clarification. Tulad po nila, I think, as advice, punong barangay about foundation before the session.
Mag-text mo yung pang, sa area. Baka lang na kabasa. Basta mag-text yung pang.
Wala po kasi po communication from kagawad po nila. But during our session, he called me up. I give him to know.
Nagtawag po muli kaya may balot eh.
But the communication with regards to text, wala ko natawad. We want to, in fairness of Honorable Puntilaw, honestly, I never received any communication prior to this holding of the session. Okay?
Nagtawag po.
But during the session, hindi may cellphone. I give it to Novi because during the time, it was Engineer Bill's report who made the discussion. Okay?
Ayun, kung saan kung istorya niyo mo, no?
Tawag kapag kaunto, alas 12.
Tawag na kung kung saan kung istorya niyo mo nga,
Dayon ka.
absent ko.
Wala po, di wala ka kagayan ka.
Balik ka.
But anyway, with the manifestation of Honorable Puntilaw, what is the concern of the members of the council?
Ako hindi ko nito kung puyo na to eh. Ano yung gusto decision lagi. Namubos ng decision niya. Hindi ko po kayo sa subo ano po kung mo kulay bago sa balibaran na. Ako din ba nung dito? Hindi ko bakit hindi mo puyo niya hindi ka puyo ba na sa gusto. Sayo ko mo na. Hindi nga ito bago niya.
Okay, okay.
So, case like this, cases like that, being experienced by Federal Puntilaw. The council may decide on that matter. I am suggesting that cases like that be known to the council for approval. Whether he will be excused or not. But this, we will make a road out of this. There are may kaso na mayroon mga mapitan. Later advise di po ng barangay or the secretary or the president kung sa institution na may kabot. Kaya aron, right and then, istorya din sa council niya, subsequent kailan, di mo ulit. Right and then, then decision po excuse ko.
Di ba, yung balik sa kagayan, para masaltang yun
Pero kani nito po nga balik ko kaya sige din nung na-discuss nga ano na ito kay Cuba na pili ko sa water loop ito. Approve na. Object wala.
Honorable,
Naraybe, katong panahon sa pag-imo bosos na naman naranap ko siguro lang sa mga wala. Pero that was the previous house.
that house, the previous house rules will never be considered again because this is a new set of council.
So that is why Mr. Chairman, nakapana ko kay kung natay mga reduction nato, that is another council. This is no council. Wala pa tayo house rules. Wala pa tayo sanction sa yan. Wala pa tayo house rules.
Yeah, definitely. I never mentioned that Kagawad Bundila will be sanctioned. I am just letting him explain for the behalf of the council why he is absent last previous session.
So kung mga balawad na may gawin sa Kagawad Bundila,
It's late, but still, better late than never. Nga ato lang po i-consider niya po, parang palit na siya biro niya. Although this is off the record. But anyway, with this problem, that is why I'm opening you this problem, this concern. Because during our first session of the new set of the Barangay Council 2010-2013, wala di tayo gihimo ng house rules. You know why? Because ang akong point mo doon is, although dako kong trust and confidence sa inyong tanan, sa inyong cooperation, sa inyong pagka-gentleman, kumbaga sa inyong pagka-professional, no? You have a good ethics, wa ako'y nakitang labad sa ulo nato. No? So that is why, with my trust and confidence in me, wala na kayo kung nag-insinuate o mag-create of house rules. Number one, dagan mo nag-iumit, no? Just like, wala na kung nag-require ninyo na magsimoti din sa barangay. Diba? It's because I trust, I believe na during special occasion or during special nga to nga kanang kalibukan na amo. Mo na akong pagtuo this is a gentleman's agreement. So para na ko, if everybody, no, ang tanan lang mutumod lang, I know everybody, maski si Kagawad ka to ngayon wala grado, but is a professional when it comes to dealing barangay works. Okay? So ako na ibalik ninyo, kung gusto ninyo mag-himo kita kausunod or wala na. Isang ako lang manifestation is kato siya, no? I have a full trust and confidence in all of you. Para na po, wala ko problema para ninyo. No? So it happened nga Kagawad Bundila, although he called me up during the session, but wa na ko kay nagmaminaw man yung kaning kuan, wa na ko na ko ba ninaw kami ni Vinci ko sugihatan na kuno. But with this situation, with this scenario nga nahitabo, although dili gid manikan, if kung tinuod lang, no, if ever nahitabo nga inato ang tinuod nung nahitabo ang manifestation asa giingon ni Kagawad Bundila, so siguro if ever tikuyo yung services, so dili kita iyang personal nga lakaw. Except otherwise, nga ngayon, ako'y gato dito yung personal nga lakaw. So siguro, murag kuhan, pero naamo yung third party involved. Karing third party, ako kanina supporter na ito, mo kong direktorin siya, pero doon tuwag ng mayo. Ako na punto is this nga, hopefully, by next time, everybody nga, di lang kang Kagawad Bundila, but everybody, kung dili lang gitingon nga, naipit ba, kanang itong naapiki na gid kayo, so siguro wala natin problema. Unless otherwise, kung apiki na gid kayo, para sa nang natingatawag dito, di gid kaulian na, or kung